इतिहास में नाम अंकित करने के लिए न मोदी पैदा हुआ है, न मोदी का वो मकसद है।
A life that breeds meritocracy and a commitment to the service of India. In a nutshell, that is a life of a three-time Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Das Modi. A personality shaped by perseverance and determination. Prime Minister Modi's childhood and youth were inspired by a quest for knowledge, spirituality and patriotism. This path led him to his role as a pracharak in the RSS, where he dedicated his time for the country's upliftment. Narendra Modi's initiation into active politics followed soon. Right in the middle of the political churn during the emergency, Modi found his calling. Modi joined the BJP in 1987 and there was no looking back. The transition from an ordinary Karyakarta to the Chief Minister of Gujarat was waiting to happen.
નરેન્દ્ર દામોદરદાસ મોદી ઈશ્વરના નામે સોગંદ લઉં છું કે
The journey that was closely tracked by Times Now propelled Gujarat to new heights and established Modi as an administrator. The vibrant Gujarat model shone through and Modi was ready to immerse himself in the service of the entire nation.
मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा.
He asked the nation for a chance and then there was no looking back. Bharat's stature as a world power grew under his leadership. From making strides in space exploration to hosting G20 for the first time, Prime Minister Modi helped India shine on the global stage.
वसुधैव कुटुंबकम के मंत्र के जरिए विश्व बंधुत्व की जिस भावना को हम जीते आए हैं, वो विचार इस लोगो और थीम में.
Poverty alleviation was not a mere slogan for him. From the Swachh Bharat program to Ayushman Bharat, he launched several schemes to help realize Viksit Bharat's vision. He also never shied away from drastic reform, from GST to the abrogation of Article 370 and now the Waqf Amendment Bill. Chaukidar, in his 3 terms, has always put India first.
एक प्राण लेकर के 100 दिन मैंने आपके कल्याण के लिए, देश हित के लिए नीति बनाने और निर्णय लेने में जुटा लिए.
And our Prime Minister is still marching on his mantra of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas.
तभी तो हमारी प्रेरणा है सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास.